Hello, I'm Mickey Roberts. I'm a DUI lawyer here in the Atlanta, Georgia area. I wanted to talk to you today about what is known as forced blood draws. What is happening in the metro Atlanta area and really in other parts of the country in DUI cases is that when a person is arrested for DUI and they are asked to go down to the station to take a state-administered breath test, say, they are exercising their constitutional right and refusing to take that test. The officer, instead of abiding by that constitutional right, is now going to a magistrate, or in most cases just calling a magistrate on the phone and swearing under oath that he believes the person is DUI, and he's requesting a search warrant to take that person's blood against their will. There are videos of one county in the Atlanta, Georgia area, Gwinnett County, showing 5 or 6 deputy sheriffs forcibly holding down a suspect while a phlebotomist pokes a needle in that person's arm. And in fact, one fella can be heard screaming, "What country is this?" Now, Georgia courts have held that if there is probable cause for a search warrant to issue, that a police officer may obtain the blood of a person. The problem in a DUI case is that there's a conflict in Georgia law. The Georgia implied consent statute says that if a person is arrested for DUI and if a police officer reads the implied consent warning, that person may exercise their constitutional right and refuse to take the test. There are consequences for refusing to take the test, but that consequence is generally that the person may end up losing their driver's license for 1 year. Georgia law specifically says that if a suspect refuses to take the state-administered test, no test shall be given. Hence, there's a problem right now between that code section and the fact that police officers in Georgia are obtaining search warrants to forcibly obtain blood from DUI suspects. The problem with the search warrant is that all the police officer has to do is basically tell the magistrate judge that they believe the person might be DUI. I have, from personal experience, seen 2 cases. One where the person's blood alcohol level came back as 0.0, and the other where the person's blood alcohol level came back at a 0.04, obviously below the legal limit. And yet in both cases the police officer swore under oath that he had evidence to show that the suspect was indeed driving under the influence of alcohol. So that's problematic, and it's something that you need to be aware of, that if you are arrested for DUI and you refuse to take the state-administered chemical test, you are subject to having your blood forcibly drawn. And of course the other problem is, not only in Georgia is the police officer forcibly obtaining the blood, but then they go ahead and proceed on the administrative license suspension and seek to have your license suspended for 1 year. For more information, go to my website, MrGaDUI.com, or call me at 770-923-4948. Thank you.